What if you could do a yoga practice while entirely in bed? Welcome to Happy Yoga, where yoga is happy. In today's practice, we'll relax and unwind with gentle stretches that you can do while entirely in bed. The perfect way to start or end your day. So go ahead and get comfy and let's begin. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a cat-cow stretch, making your way to all fours, with your wrists beneath your shoulders and your knees below your hips. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulders away from your ears, feeling your neck long. And with each exhale, round your spine, pressing the earth away, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, transitioning into reclined postures, making your way onto your back with your feet to the earth and your knees bent. Step your feet a little wider right and left, and windshield wiper your knees from right to left, creating more mobility in your hips, releasing tension in your low back. Release, moving into a gentle hip opener. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Pick up your left foot, reach your right hand under your right calf muscle to clasp your hands behind your left thigh, drawing your legs in towards your chest. Continue relaxing through your head and neck, keeping your hips level to the earth, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Release and set your left foot to the earth. Maintain your legs, adding a twist. Reach your arms out like a T. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, relax your legs to the right, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth. Release and lift your legs back to center, adding a twist in the opposite direction. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, relax your legs to the left, maintaining both shoulder blades to the earth, twisting from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Cross your left ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Pick up your right foot and reach your left hand under your left calf muscle to clasp your hands behind your right thigh, drawing your legs in towards your chest. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, breathing wide into your outer left hip, relaxing through your neck and shoulders. Release and set your right foot to the earth, adding a twist. Reach your arms out like a T. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, relax your legs to the left, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth. Slowly unwind, adding a twist in the opposite direction. Relax your legs to the right as you continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through your hips, spine, and low back. Slowly unwind and release. Step your feet into a wide stance and begin to windshield wipe your knees from right to left, moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing at center, transitioning into Shavasana. Extend both your legs to the earth with your arms at your sides, palms facing upwards. Gently close your eyes, allowing your breath to be easy and natural, letting go of any unnecessary effort in your body as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, bend your knees and roll off to your side, coming up to take a seat. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this gentle yoga practice, and way to go making it until the end. Because I value your feedback, I'd love to know which type of yoga practice you prefer, one that you can do in bed or seated in a chair. So go ahead and just type bed or chair in the comments below, and remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.